I've rolled the car in, and as said, what we're going to do today is we're going to just do an oil filter change. So I've got a couple of things here just to kind of remind me. I've told you it's long life 17. Now the oil capacity is 5 and something quarts. So usually I get my oil in these. So I get a 6-pack and then use 5 and then top it up with like half. So when I remove the filter, it's going to be about 0.30, according to new TIS, it's 0.30 litres is stored in this. So I'm going to top it up with the rest of this, okay? So let me get the oil filter out. I'm going to kind of show you the oil filter. So this is the oil filter, okay? It's actually by Mahl, M-A-H-L, so you can actually go and buy a Mahl filter if you want to. But the prices for me, I just don't even bother. Also because I use this car for company work, I also claim that back, so I'm not really worried. The kit comes with these two. So this is for the oil filter housing, and this is for the crush washer for the bolt for the oil drain, to drain the oil. But as we're not doing that, all we just need is the thing there. So that's the oil filter. Now, what we're going to do is, I think there should be enough light here. I might need to get a light set up. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to go and get a drink, come back out, set everything up, and I'm going to show you how we remove the oil filter. Okay? So don't go away. So I got myself set up. I'm actually drinking some Coke Zero, and it's disgusting. It is absolutely disgusting. I don't know what they give you in the shops, you know, when you go to the shops, but it's, I don't know. So first thing we need to do is remove this. Now it's held on by 3 quarter-turn nuts, but some moron, I don't know who it was, who did the oil change last. It wasn't my guy, but it could have been BMW. Have turned them all the way around, so they haven't clipped properly. And I'll kind of show you. So let me take this out. I have to get someone to fix this, or there's a few ways I can fix it. Can you see here? See these here? They've turned round. It's just a small quarter-turn nut, and that's all that needs to be turned. So someone's broken that. So let's get back underneath here. So we need to take the acoustic cover off. This just clips off like that. And then we need to remove this cover here. Like that. There we go. The oil filter is hidden under there. Okay, I'll take you in for a shot. That's the oil filter cover. The oil filter is under there. So you see there, it's quite good. So next thing we have to do, now I'm looking to see if you can see, is this bit here. We have to, there's a wire here. Oops, let me try and take it a bit higher. That's a bit better. Okay, we have to remove this wire. Okay, and then this should come out. This bit here. There we go. Let's just get this out of the way. We don't need to pull the whole thing out. But this needs to come out of the way here. So just put this here. Okay. Then this. Needs to be pulled that way, and then we can get a ratchet on there. It's not the easiest of things to do, so let's have a look, see if I've got the right bolt. I'm going to take you in for a close look. So I'm going to find that bolt. I'm not sure what size bolt it is. I'm going to give that a couple of tries and let you know. Well, we're scuppered. Dang, dang, dang. I don't have a big enough bolt for that. 24 is the biggest one I have. I don't know what that size is. It's bigger than 24. So I'll have to look that up on the new TI. So I should have checked it, but I just thought I would have it. These things are sent to try us. So, ladies and gentlemen, mums and dads, kids at home in the gallery at home, it's not a 24mm nut. So, and I don't have anything bigger than the 24. And I'm not going to mess around with it because there's a special procedure when you undo it and redo it. So I'm going to call it quits now. I'm going to get the right size nut for my I'll have to go online and see which size it is. It is a hexagonal one. I don't know what size, but I'll need to get another one. So by the magic of video, we will be back with the right nut. So don't go away. Hey guys, okay, so back. And I found this. It's like a kit from Maxim, which is a Canadian tire, and that has a number of what do they call it? Oil filter sockets. So let's just get a bit down there, and it comes with a whole whack of them: 24, 27, 29, 32. 35, 36. So I believe it should be a 27. So this is a 27. This is a 27. We need an extension on there. So I'll have to have a look for an extension. Looks like it's the smaller one. So I'm gonna see if we can, if that fits. If that fits, and we're good. Okay, so now this kind of fits. I don't know if you can see there. So that's where it fits on top there. Can you see there? Fits on top there. That's a nice snug fit. You need a nice extension. Pull all this clip as well. You can't take this any further. I'll put a rag here to stop it from falling, hopefully falling. So we should just be able to unscrew that. So let's give that a try. Okay, so that was quite a tight thing. So what I'm going to do is get under here, unscrew this, it's come loose. So here. It's there. So what I'm going to do is clean it out, and we'll take this to the bench now. Okay, so let's get this out. So this unclips. There. Unclips, sorry. Let's take it out a bit back. So that unclips from there. Let's give this a clean. There is a gasket there which you have to take out. Just double check. I'm going to actually take these gloves out because they're irritating me. And on there, I don't know if you can see, you've got a little gasket there. So I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to leave that there. Now, where is my, okay, so here is my thing. The filter comes with it already. So we'll take this out. You can see that, it's using that to come out, take it off. And it goes on that clip there. I got a bit of a snoopy nose today, so apologies. Let's just oil it up. Okay, good. So let's put this back on. Okay, looks good. Okay, so let's get another. Get another tissue. Give this a good clean. Now, this needs to go on first. There's a hole there. And this goes in there. You should be able to hear it click. Let's just double check. I always like double checking things. Okay. Should actually click in there. There we go, you should hear that. Now there, inside the oil filter housing, there's like a little hole there. You have to make sure you get it in there. So I'm going to try and put that back in there now again. So I'm actually going to just go in there and give it a bit of a clean while everything's out. And I'm going to come back to you.